This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium-high heat so it's hot but not smoking. This extracts flavor fast. Add the diced onion, carrots, and celery, and a pinch of salt to pull moisture and kick off caramelization. Once the vegetables soften, stir in the garlic briefly, then add a tablespoon of tomato paste and your herbs. Cook until the paste darkens slightly. This deepens the soup's backbone and prevents a raw tomato taste. Once the aromatics are browned, deglaze with 6 to 8 cups of stock and scrape the fond so those flavors dissolve into the broth. Stir in a can of diced tomatoes and a drained can of beans for protein and texture, then add 1 cup of small pasta or rice. Simmer uncovered for 15 to 20 minutes, adding firmer vegetables first. Make sure to reserve delicate greens like spinach or chard to stir in at the end so they stay bright and tender. You finish the soup by brightening it with 1 to 2 tablespoons of vinegar or lemon juice and a handful of chopped parsley. This lifts the whole pot. Taste and adjust salt and pepper, and let the soup rest for 5 minutes off the heat so starches relax and flavors marry. If the soup is too thin, simmer uncovered to reduce. If it tastes flat, add salt and another splash of acid. This troubleshooting step corrects imbalance quickly before you ladle into bowls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.